Samson from the Rim Fixers. We just installed 4 rim protectors on these 21-inch Porsche Cayenne wheels, black, so you really can't even see them. You get a little closer. You can see it right around the lip there. It's going to protect it from curb damage, minor curb damage, nothing major when you're driving into the curb at 50 miles an hour. That's not going to help. But for the minor damage, it will do the job. Barely see them on there. Blends in perfect with the tire. It comes in 9 different colors.